My car wasn't made for the off-road. Oh, jeez.
I don't know.
Okay, so that was absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay, so I realized my old camping videos didn't perform as well as I had hoped. So today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to take all sorts of different camping adventures and ideas like these and put them into one. So this is going to be the ultimate camping video. Let's go. A wolf.
Hello, welcome to Campfire Starter Kit for starters. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to find some dry wood. Find some kindling. I have all sorts of dry stuff around me. So then you get your starter of choice. This here is a blast match. I wonder why they call it that, because it really is fun to use. It's how you could say a blast. So once you get it set up, then you start, yep, you'll see it start sparking, and that's when you know it's trying. Don't give up. I'll just get back to you guys when I get the fire started. I burnt down my home. All I've been given is this rod and this worm, and I'm gonna have to find some lunch for the next 3 days, so. Okay, well now I have no more worm. I'm going to die. Greg? Is that you? I'm so afraid. What's going on, everybody? I thought I'd just give you guys like the basic camping essentials, things that I always keep in my bag at all times. I think there's some really great stuff in here that I could potentially share with you guys, and you guys could add to your bags as well. These are pretty important. So this here is a bag. This is about a year-old cookie, and I keep this as mainly just a reminder when I am in the woods. You know, you're gonna be hungry, okay? And this is just a constant reminder, like you gotta be hungry for it. You gotta go out there and provide for yourself. And it has to be about a year old, or else it just doesn't hit quite the same. So yeah, and then yeah, this last one is also pretty important. Usually got to keep a fish in there because you want to attract, you know, bears and things like that. Kind of turn into like a Goldilocks kind of story, but in real life, I think that'd be cool. And also, like, if you do get hungry on the way, it's just a great snack. Once it's kind of like dried out, it makes for a great jerky. It's a natural dry